Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, we'll be talking about CAT tokens. Okay, so guys, CAT just listed their airdrop and a lot of people were happy because they made a lot of dollars from this airdrop. Okay, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw your CAT tokens from your account. Okay, so if you used Bybit or Bitget or any of the withdrawal wallets, I'll show you guys how you can withdraw your CAT tokens. Okay, so I used Bybit to receive my airdrop. Okay, so I'll open my Bybit account. This is my Bybit. Okay, so I'll open my Bybit account and show you guys how you can withdraw it. Okay, so first let me click on assets. Okay, so I have like $17. Okay, $17 of CAT. So the CAT, one is in funding and one is in unified trading. Okay, so when I go to the funding, you see I have some CAT over here. I have $15. I got 124,000 in CAT. Okay, so to withdraw this CAT to your wallet, okay, to maybe your payments method you want to withdraw to your bank or wherever you want to withdraw to, first you need to transfer the CAT from the funding to the unified trading. Okay, because you have to trade the CAT tokens to get your money. Okay, so first I'll click on the funding and I'll click on transfer. Okay, so I'll click on this transfer and I'll select CAT. Okay, it's already here, so I'll just click on the max, then I'll send it to my unified trading account. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Okay, so I have transferred it. You can see it's not in my funding account anymore. Okay, so the money has reflected in my unified trading. Okay, as you can see, I have 141,000 in my unified trading currently. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can sell your CAT tokens. Okay, so when you get the money here in the unified trading, you can just click on this spot. You can just click on this spot. You see this spot over here. Okay, you click on this spot, then you make sure this is on CAT pairing USD. So if there is any other token over here, you just click on this. So you click on this, then you select CAT. So you just search for CAT. Okay, you search for CAT. Okay, so CAT, the first one, not this CAT or here. You select for CAT, this one, this CAT. Okay, you select for, there are so many CATs in Bybit. Okay, but you select this CAT. Okay, so this CAT was just listed yesterday and I'm making this video today to show you guys how you can sell your CATs. Okay, so when you choose the CAT, okay, you click on sell. Okay, you just click on this sell button. Okay, so when you are done clicking on the sell button, this will appear for you to sell your CAT tokens. Okay, so what you have to do now is to just make sure here is on market. Okay, yeah, you shouldn't choose the limit, you should choose market. Okay, so you click on market and you can see I have 141,000 CAT over here. So to sell all the CAT, I have to drag this. You can see this, we have something here, so I'll drag it to 100%, meaning I'm coming to sell all my CAT tokens. Okay, and when I drag, let's say I drag to the 100%, let me drag to 100 here. I drag to 100%. This is the amount I'll get in dollars when I sell the 141,000 CAT. When I sell it, I'll get 17.58 USDT. Okay, so if I'm interested with the price, I'll just click on sell CAT. Okay, so we've sold the CAT right now. Very simple way to sell your CAT to USDT. Okay, so let's go to our asset again and let's click on the unified trading. Okay, so you can see the money is now in USDT. Okay, we just sold our CAT to USDT now, so the money is in USDT. Okay, so what you have to do now is to do P2P trading if you want to get the money in your bank account or other payment method. Okay, so to do the P2P trading, you have to transfer the USDT to the funding. Okay, so I'll just click on transfer. then I will choose USDT over here. Okay, first I will have to switch this because the money is in unified trading, so I'll switch this. Then I'll choose USDT over here. Then I'll click on max and click on the confirm. Okay, so I have transferred it to the funding account. You can see it transferred successfully. Okay, so let me go to my funding account. You can see the money is in my funding account. Okay, so to sell this to your payment method, maybe your bank account or your mobile money or whatever payment method, you just have to click on the USDT. So when you click on the USDT, then you click on sell. Okay, you just click on the sell and it will open the P2P trading. Okay, so you just open your P2P trading, then you click on this sell. You click on this sell. Okay, so you have to make sure this is in your currency. Okay, this is Ghana cedis. Okay, so if you want in your currency, you have to click on this to select your currency. Okay, so when you're done selecting your currency, you come back and click, make sure this is on sell. Okay, then you click on this to select your payment method. Okay, so in Ghana cedis, these are the payment methods we have. Okay, so if I want to sell to Vodafone Cash, I'll just click on the Vodafone Cash, then click on confirm. This is the payment method maybe I want to receive the money in. Okay, then I click on confirm. Okay, then I select the merchant I want to trade with, okay, to receive the money in my Vodafone Cash account. So if I like this merchant, I'll just click on the merchant. Maybe I'll click on the sell on the merchant, then I will enter the amount of US. You can see I have $17 USDT here, so I'll just click all. Maybe I want to sell all, yes, and I'll just click on the all to sell it to the merchant so that I can receive the money in my payment method, my Vodafone Cash payment method. Okay, and according to this, I will receive 286.72 Ghana cedis if I sell the $17. Okay, so if I'm interested with the rate, I'll just click on the sell. Okay, but before I will click on the sell button, I'll have to click on this payment method, the Vodafone Cash I chose. Okay, then I add the payment method. Okay, you can see I've already added my Vodafone Cash payment method here, but if you don't have any payment method, you have to just click on add payment method to add the payment method you want to receive the money to. So if you want to receive to your bank account, you just have to click add payment method, then you select your bank, click on add payment method, then you select your bank, the payment method you want. Yeah, you select that payment. If you want to receive it in PayPal, I can see PayPal over here. Okay, so you select the PayPal account, then your PayPal name and everything, all the details needed. Okay, so when you are done, just come back. I just want to use this Vodafone Cash to do the process for you guys to know how to sell to your bank account or your mobile money account. Okay, so when you are done, just click on confirm. Okay, then you click on the sell button. Okay, so when you click on the sell button, the merchant will get a notification that you want to sell your tokens to him. Yeah, and you start trading with the person. Okay, so when you receive the money in your bank account or the preferred payment method, when you receive the money in the preferred payment method, then you also continue your path to release the crypto to the merchant. Okay, but if you haven't received the money in your bank account or your payment method yet, don't release the crypto to the merchant. Okay, yes, so this is how you can sell your CAT tokens to USDT and also sell it to your payment method. Okay, sell it to merchants so that you can receive it in your payment method. Okay, maybe your bank account or your any payment method you want. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how to sell your crypto, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.